Hello everyone. I'm enjoying this beautiful spring day in South Mississippi on the Boley Creek. That is where my new listing is at 29 Angelica Drive in Picayune. Let me flip around the camera so you can get a better look. Look how beautiful. Crystal clear, cool water, white sand beaches. Just a little slice of heaven here. 538 feet of creek frontage, 5.53 acres, and a shotgun minimalistic style home on the property. They just cleared new paths all the way down to the creek so you can get down here with ease. We are about 10 minutes from the city of Picayune, less than an hour from downtown New Orleans, and an hour to the Mississippi Gulf Coast. There is high-speed internet here, so if you're working from home, I can't think of a better place to do it. There will be a link in the description box to the listing. This is Catherine Hayden, broker and owner of Professional Realty in Picayune, Mississippi. Have a great day.